Have you ever stopped, truly stopped, to ask yourself, what is truly real in this world? Not just the objects you touch, the people you see, or the thoughts swirling in your mind, but at your core, what forms the foundation of existence and what is merely illusion dressed as truth? In the sun-baked marketplaces of ancient Abdera, where ideas sparked like flint on stone, Democritus, the laughing philosopher, pierced the veil of perception. He asserted, nothing exists except atoms and empty space. Everything else is just opinion. These weren't whimsical notions. They were a radical vision, prefiguring modern science and echoing the Delphic quest to know thyself. Reality boils down to indivisible particles and voids. All else, from colors to morals, is subjective interpretation. But what does that mean? How do we navigate a world where facts are few and opinions flood every corner? Every day, we are overwhelmed by realities. What media spins as undeniable? What cultures impose as norms? What senses deceive as solid? From the first light of dawn, we construct our worlds. Beliefs shaping actions, perceptions dictating truths, judgments clouding clarity. And in this construction, we rarely question. Am I seeing atoms in space, or just my opinions? Are you grounding your life in unshakable essentials, or building on the sands of subjective whims? Innumerable minds wander lost, realizing too late that clinging to opinions as facts breeds conflict, delusion, and regret. Wars waged over interpretations, lives wasted on illusions. But those who awaken, those who truly discern reality, embrace the atomic core. They know the tangible is sparse, the rest is malleable. They understand that stripping away opinions reveals freedom in simplicity. Ponder the pioneers who echoed this atomic insight. They didn't confuse opinion with essence. They sought the fundamental. Lucretius, expanding Democritus in poetry, he demystified fears of gods and death, grounding existence in natural laws. Richard Feynman, unraveling quantum worlds, he reminded us that science starts with atoms, not assumptions, sparking technological revolutions. Marie Curie, probing radioactive atoms, she transcended societal opinions on women in science, illuminating truths hidden in matter. What about you? What opinions masquerade as your realities? What core truths could set you free? Discerning essence from opinion exceeds skepticism. It's rigorous inquiry. It's questioning perceptions, valuing evidence, and embracing uncertainty. It's about knowing. What atomic facts underpin your choices? What voids allow for change? What opinions limit your potential? What objective life emerges beyond bias? Yet, this discernment requires courage. It means dismantling cherished illusions, realizing senses and societies often err, accepting that much of life is opinion, open to revision. Most cling to their subjective worlds. They defend dogmas, political biases, personal grudges, cultural myths, fearing the emptiness where true discovery begins. But those who adopt Democritus's lens, they liberate their minds. Ancient atomists challenged gods and fates, finding order in chaos. The enlightened, they lived lightly, unburdened by unfounded opinions. Will you peer into the atomic? Will you sift reality from the fog of opinion? So I challenge you today. Are you ready to see the atoms and space? Not with blind dismissal, not chaotic doubt, but by breathing deeply, stripping layers, and asking, what is truly real here? What facts anchor me? What opinions cloud me? What fears fuel my illusions? What would I create in clear voids? And essentially, what empowered existence awaits beyond opinion? Because here's the truth. No illusion endures scrutiny. No authority, no tradition, no intuition defines essence. None will declare, "Here, this is absolute reality." That unveiling is yours. Clarity sharpens over time. Yet, by questioning opinions, seeking evidence, quieting perceptual noise, you'll touch the fundamental. And once you truly grasp atoms in space, no deception deludes you. The world forever peddles opinions as truths, but your greatest power is in distinguishing them. Because when you master this, its simplicity, its objectivity, its freedom, no bias blinds you, no conflict consumes you, no horizon hides. Because when opinion yields to essence, you become enlightened. So today, examine your world. Question the intangible, not in cynicism, but curiosity. Begin the profoundest exploration, the quest for what truly is, because to see atoms and space is to transcend destiny.
If you felt inspired by our journey through the Hellenic horizons, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.